Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Bartlett Pear, and I know it's still a little firm, but I know it's ripening because I've got one or two pieces of fruit on the ground already. It's also a little bit of an earlier pear, so I'm kind of expecting it to ripen up right about now. I was talking about this earlier with our Honeycrisp apple. When we first got this tree, I was like, "Oh gosh, do I really want a tree where with a well-known pear that you can get in the store?" And the fact is that yes, I mean if you know of a good fruit tree, it is a completely different matter to have that fruit tree growing in your yard than it is to have it available at a grocery store because who knows how they store apples. I think they control the environment for a lot of fruit so that it can sit in a warehouse for months. But when you grow your own, you are certain about where your fruit comes from and what was put on it. So it's just a completely, it's that peace of mind that comes from growing your own food. I really love the color and the texture of these pears. Mostly because when you go to the grocery store, you're gonna find pears that have a really uniform color and they all look the same. But these guys have a little bit of russet to them and a little bit of character. So let's go ahead and take one of these off the tree and give it a bite. And as always, I'm gonna, it's hanging down. I just twist it in the opposite direction and it comes right off without any effort. If it wasn't ripe, it would just continue to bend and not come off. So that's one way we know it's ripe. And that is good. It might be, it could sit on the tree a little longer, or we can harvest it. And we'll just harvest it. There's enough ripening going on there that the ethylene gas will continue to push that pear into ripeness. So probably better to pick the pears off this tree and bring them in, and then we'll just let them ripen on the counter. This is Bartlett Pear. Some places it ripens earlier. For us, it ripens in kind of mid-season, along with Orchis pear and a little bit after Ubaline. Just because it's a great piece of fruit that you can get in the grocery store doesn't mean you can't grow it in your orchard and enjoy that worry-free sense of knowing where your fruit came from and the fact that it's fresh.